vlog. Today we're gonna make banana bread. So yeah, today we're gonna have a fun time. This is my first baking video with mommy, of course. And so I'm gonna show you my recipe again if you did not notice it. So here's the recipe. Take a look. There you go. This is all I'm gonna do. So first of all, we have to smash the banana.
How many?
Okay, so we're gonna add 4 pieces
Of?
of bananas. Alright, so we're gonna mash the bananas. It's gonna be kind of hard. Like that. Like that. Yeah. Did I get it right?
Yes.
That doesn't look like bananas anymore. I hope Kyle will like one of these guys, banana bread. Why does it look like pasta? Hey, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Okay, so I'm done putting the mushed banana in. It's
Mashed banana.
mashed banana. So my recipe is to get 1/3 butter. So I need to get this
Okay.
melted butter.
Is it hot? I'll help you then.
Alright. So I put 1/3 butter in. So now what?
Okay. Mix it.
Mix.
Hold mo yung ano.
Hold the bowl. So next I'm gonna add 1/2 cup white sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar. So I already mixed it, as you can see. You see the brown sugar over there. So
Lagay mo na.
now what do we do?
Lagay mo na.
Like how much? All of it?
All of it.
Okay. Here goes a try. Ooh, I think that's it. That's good. Stir it. Now next we're gonna have one piece of egg, as you can see.
Okay.
Piece of egg. So you put the egg in. So it's like this, right? Get out of that. Got some sugar. I will not try that egg plus sugar. Okay, mix.
Alright, next.
Okay, so next we have 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Okay. Just 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, like a whole
Yes.
teaspoon. 1 whole teaspoon. Is that it?
Can I see? That's too much.
Okay,
Ah.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
1 teaspoon.
What's that again?
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. Alright. And then?
And then 1 teaspoon vanilla, extract.
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 So we're using this.
Yeah,
Okay ka ng ano.
extract.
Oh, careful of.
Careful.
Okay.
Be careful. Okay, pour it in.
Alright. And last. Oh no. What
What?
else? Next is
And next is 1.5 cup flour.
okay.
Alright, we got the
Okay.
flour. Have to stir it. Hold on. So,
Hold mo anak yung ano, yung mixing bowl.
oh my gosh, mommy. There's so much. 1/2 cup of milk. So 1/2.
That's it. That's it.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay. Here goes a try. juicy milk.
Mix na.
Okay, time to mix. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. So the last ingredient that I'm gonna use is a 1/2 cup of chocolates.
Alright.
Alright, 3. You count with me. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay? Wait, there's still some more. I'll just put it in by my own. Alright, so time to stir it. You got all that chocolate in. Mush it, mush it, mush it, mush it, mush it. So we're gonna put this into these two to make banana bread, alright? This is gonna be insane, alright? Alright, stop, go.
Go.
Okay, so I have 2 baking pans over here. Okay, so now we're done putting all the chocolate chips. Now, what you've all been waiting for, we're gonna put it in the oven. Right, outside. Alright, so it's finally finished. We have this beautiful, beautiful banana bread. Okay, wanna try? Huh? Try.